Coastal areas are dynamic interfaces between land and sea, supporting biodiversity, economic activities, and cultural and social value. These areas are home to unique ecosystems such as wetlands, estuaries, and coral reefs. They are vital for tourism, fisheries, shipping, and trade. Many communities depend on coastal resources and heritage. However, these areas face pressures from urban development, climate change like sea level rise, pollution, and overfishing. Effective management policies are essential to balance human use with environmental protection. Coastal Zone Management, or CZM, refers to the strategies, policies, and practices used to sustainably manage coastal areas. Key elements include integrated approaches, coordinating land, water, and marine resources, ecosystem-based management, which focuses on preserving natural habitats and ecological functions, stakeholder engagement involving local communities, government, NGOs, and private sectors, and adaptive governance, adjusting policies in response to environmental changes and new scientific data. Countries and regions around the world have developed a variety of policies and frameworks to address local and global coastal challenges. Integrated Coastal Zone Management, or ICZM, is a holistic process that integrates environmental, economic, social, and institutional aspects in managing coastal areas. ICZM is promoted by organizations like the United Nations Environment Programme and has been adapted to suit local contexts. Who owns the coast? Policies shaping our shores. This theme explores the complex question of coastal ownership and governance. Many coastal areas are considered public resources, yet private property rights and commercial interests can sometimes limit access or lead to overdevelopment. National and local governments enact policies to regulate use, enforce environmental standards, and ensure that coastal resources benefit the public. In some regions, local and indigenous communities have traditional rights to coastal areas, influencing management practices and conservation efforts. Adaptive strategies for changing conditions. Coastal management policies must adapt to rising sea levels, increased storm intensity, and shifting ecosystems. New mapping tools, remote sensing, and data analytics are enhancing our ability to monitor and manage coastal zones. International cooperation, shared research, and community-driven initiatives will be key to addressing global coastal challenges. Discussion questions. How should coastal areas be managed to ensure both public access and environmental protection? What are some successful examples of policies that balance economic development with conservation? How can coastal management adapt to the impacts of climate change while still supporting local communities? This content provides a foundation for understanding the diverse international approaches to coastal zone management and the ongoing debates about who owns our coasts. Whether you're a student, policymaker, or interested citizen, exploring these policies helps us appreciate the complexity and importance of safeguarding our coastal environments.